Trust is the invisible thread that holds a relationship together, quietly weaving its way through every interaction, every conversation, and every shared moment. It's not always spoken about, but it's always felt, an unspoken promise that we can rely on each other, no matter what life brings. It's the quiet certainty that we are emotionally safe with another person, that our hearts are protected and our vulnerabilities respected. Trust allows us to let our guard down, to be open and honest, and to know that we won't be judged or betrayed. Without trust, relationships become spaces of anxiety and doubt, not comfort and growth. Every word and action is second-guessed, and the foundation of the relationship starts to crack. Instead of feeling secure, we become preoccupied with what might go wrong. Trust lets us be our true selves, share our fears, and know we'll be accepted. It's what makes deep connection possible, allowing us to confide our dreams, our worries, and our secrets, knowing they'll be held with care. When it's missing, every action is questioned and love erodes. Suspicion creeps in, and misunderstandings multiply, making it hard to feel close or secure. The warmth that once defined the relationship is replaced by distance and uncertainty. We become detectives, searching for deceit instead of affection. Instead of building memories together, we're busy looking for evidence, and the joy of being together is overshadowed by mistrust. Trust is about reliability and knowing our partner values us. It's built through small, everyday actions, keeping promises, showing up when it matters, and being honest even when it's hard. These moments create a sense of security that allows love to flourish. It gives us the courage to be vulnerable and commit to a shared future. Trust is what allows us to dream together, to make plans, and to face challenges side by side, knowing we're not alone. Simply put, trust is the essential ingredient that gives a relationship life and resilience. It's the foundation on which love, respect, and happiness are built. And without it, even the strongest bonds can falter. When trust is present, anything is possible. Building trust isn't about grand gestures. It's about small, consistent actions that accumulate over time. Each little moment, each thoughtful gesture is like adding another block to a tower, making the foundation stronger and more resilient. Trust grows quietly, often unnoticed, through the everyday choices we make to show up for one another. Honesty is key, being truthful about feelings and needs, even when it's hard. It means having the courage to speak up, to share your true self, and to listen when your partner does the same. Vulnerability can feel risky, but it's essential for real connection. Keeping promises, no matter how minor, shows dependability. When you follow through on your word, you prove that you can be counted on. It's these small acts of reliability, showing up on time, remembering commitments, following through, that build a sense of safety and predictability in a relationship. Open communication, sharing thoughts and listening with empathy, prevents misunderstandings and deepens connection. When you truly listen, you show that you value the other person's perspective. This creates a space where both people feel heard, respected, and understood. Emotional presence matters too. Being there in tough times, celebrating joys, and showing your partner they're a priority. It's about offering comfort, encouragement, and sharing in both struggles and triumphs. These moments of support remind your loved ones that they're never alone. These repeated acts of honesty, reliability, and support form the foundation of trust. Over time, they create a relationship where both people feel secure, valued, and able to be themselves. Over time, these simple acts create a bond strong enough to weather life's storms. Trust, built day by day, becomes the anchor that holds relationships steady through every challenge and change. Betrayal shatters the foundation of a relationship, leaving behind a sense of devastation that can feel almost physical. In a single moment, everything you believed about your partner and your shared life is called into question. The trust you once took for granted is suddenly gone, replaced by a wave of disbelief and heartbreak. It's not just infidelity that can break this trust. Betrayal can take many forms: financial secrets, emotional affairs, or even broken promises that seemed small at first but grew over time. Sometimes, it's the lies we tell ourselves or the truths we choose to ignore that hurt the most. The pain comes from having your reality upended. Suddenly, the person you trusted feels like a stranger. You may find yourself replaying conversations, searching for clues you missed, and wondering how you could have been so blind. The sense of safety you once felt is replaced by anxiety and suspicion. Self-doubt and confusion set in, making you question your own judgment and worth. The loss of trust doesn't just affect the present, it rewrites your memories of the past and clouds your hopes for the future. You may wonder if anything was ever real or if you can ever feel secure again. Betrayal destroys the sense of being special to your partner, leaving deep wounds and uncertainty. The emotional pain can be overwhelming, making it hard to eat, sleep, or even think clearly. It's a loss that goes beyond the relationship. It can shake your confidence in yourself and in others. The relationship's safe harbor becomes a place of danger, and rebuilding trust seems almost impossible. Yet, understanding the depth of this pain is the first step toward healing, whether that means repairing the relationship or finding the strength to move forward on your own. Betrayal often whispers through subtle changes. Watch for shifts in communication, withdrawal, secrecy, or evasiveness. Sudden protectiveness over phones or computers, unexplained schedule changes, and inconsistent stories can signal trouble. Emotional distance, increased irritability, or even unusual affection may also be signs. Trust your intuition if something feels off. These small signals, when combined, can reveal a breach in the trust you once shared. When betrayal surfaces, resist the urge to lash out. Approach the conversation with care. Choose a calm time and use I statements to express your feelings. Focus on your experience, not accusations. The betrayed partner needs space to share their pain, while the other must listen without excuses. Transparency is crucial. Honest answers help rebuild reality. This first conversation isn't about solutions, but about putting the truth on the table. It's the first step toward healing, replacing secrets with clarity. Rebuilding trust is active, not passive. The betrayer must lead with genuine remorse, transparency, and concrete changes, ending the deception and answering questions honestly. The betrayed partner's work is to process pain and eventually allow for the possibility of forgiveness. Both must communicate needs and acknowledge each other's efforts. Progress is slow and non-linear, with setbacks and breakthroughs. Patience and consistent action are key. Together, both partners must build something new from the ruins, stronger than before. Setting boundaries is vital for recovery. These aren't punishments, but ways to create safety. Boundaries might include when to discuss the betrayal or new routines for transparency. If healing stalls, seeking professional help is wise. Therapy offers tools and a safe space for honest dialogue. Healing also means making new positive memories together. Small joys that remind you of your bond. Recovery is a marathon, requiring patience and radical honesty. With dedication, some couples emerge from betrayal with a deeper, more resilient connection.